Docker is a software platform that enables the rapid development, testing, and deployment of applications in any environment. It packages software into standardized units known as containers, which contain everything the software requires to run, including libraries, system tools, code, and runtime. It also helps reduce the complexity of managing software applications, making it easier for developers and IT teams to work together. The platform also has many other advantages, and the most notable is its portability. Docker containers facilitate the seamless migration of applications between various environments by encapsulating applications and their dependencies. Working with a Docker container ensures consistency throughout the application lifecycle, regardless of whether you are on a local workstation or a cloud-based production server. A high degree of isolation between applications and their dependencies is another feature it provides, and therefore none of the others on the same machine or server will be impacted. In shared environments, this is essential to guarantee the security and stability of applications. The platform consumes fewer resources than conventional virtual machines. Containers are significantly lighter and require less RAM and disk space because they share the same underlying operating system kernel. Enabling multiple apps to run on a single computer lowers the cost of hardware and simplifies resource management. It also makes applications more scalable. With container orchestration tools like Kubernetes or Docker Swarm, you can efficiently distribute the workload among several instances of a container. This enables you to quickly adjust the capacity of your application based on demand, which is crucial in settings with high loads. Docker has revolutionized application development, delivery, and operation. It is a vital tool for any development and operations team because of its emphasis on portability, isolation, resource efficiency, and scalability. If you have not tried Docker yet, now is the time to do so. uHero can help you out. Contact us at info@uheroglobal.com or visit us at uheroglobal.com.